Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
So nice to
Okay,
meet
our boss Tony.
Hello. Thank you.
Okay.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Tony.
Okay.
you. My doctor.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How are
Thank
you?
Give
Okay.
you flower.
The flowers
you.
for welcoming.
Flowers.
The flowers for welcoming.
Then
Hello.
flowers for you.
Sister.
Thanks.
You can success. We both success.
For sure.
Yeah. Okay, this way. And our values: customer first. Yes. Teamwork. Yes. Passion. The teamwork, not only our team, but we are together. Yes. And the dream. We all have a dream to success. Yeah.
So every morning our employee come here.
Yes.
Hello, dream.
Yes.
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 Go our office.
Thank you. Nice
Thank
to meet
you.
you guys.
Yeah.
It was our dream to come again this year to meet you in person and discuss more about the business as well.
Yes.
Yeah. And we really thank you for your support.
Thank you.
Normally cooperate each other.
So I hope your business is good this year.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
is it's not only this year now and then.
Yes. In the future.
Yes.
Together we can reach
Yes.
where we want.
Yes.
We still need your support.
We will try our best. Yes.
Don't be tired of us.
So we will look around in our factory and another warehouse and showroom. Okay.
Okay.
The 3/4 is a big meeting room, and and also the sport areas. Yes, the table tennis.
Okay.
Yes, you and Tony can take play together.
You can play ping pong.
Play ping pong. Yeah.
Not really, but I can try.
You can try. No.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yes, really.
Amanda is merged now into UMEK.
Amanda and UMEK both our company name,
Oh, okay.
and UMEK is our brand.
Our brand.
Yes,
Okay.
Amanda for olive export. Okay, here the different size brand tanks and also the FRP tanks.
FRP.
Yes, and this part for the household.
Ah.
My dear
So
sister,
completely household. Eh?
household water purifier
Okay.
and water softeners. Yes, and the second floor are some water softeners.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
Yes.
Wow, that is very good.
Thank you.
Very good. Yeah, this one is the most selling now. This one is
Yeah.
the most selling. I think in the new order also
Yeah.
you need to include.
Okay.
Including the new order.
Good selling there.
Yes, it's a very good selling because
Okay. You have a big project. You can send us the water test report so
Okay.
we can analysis and
you can
give you the design solutions.
Okay,
And
okay.
then you can code them. Yes, because we have engineers, we can help to do the design, make the solutions for you. Yes. In the future, we'll all here. The machine will move here all. Yes.
PPW.
Yeah, PPW.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. Very good.
The new machinery just for test.
testing.
Yeah, testing.
This is very good.
Yeah.
With a skeleton.
So in the future, if you have orders for PPW,
It will be coming
we
from-
can video call here,
Yes.
show you.
Very nice.
Yes. You can see.
Wow. It's very good.
Yes, it is automatic setting.
The quality then being tested.
Yes, can control the quality.
Okay.
There are two parts
Okay.
for this warehouse, and this part for the stock for the FRP tanks.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
and some future cartridge.
Okay.
Mainly for the orders ready ready for shipping.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, okay.
For one part, different part for different customers.
Okay, okay.
Yes. You can see this part for the ribbons, for the FRP tanks
Okay.
for one customer,
Okay.
customer, maybe for one container, two
Okay.
containers.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Also like this part for the RO unit,
Okay.
and also like this one, commercial filter systems
Okay, okay.
for one customers. Yes.
Mm.
Then you can see the ears and the mouth. Yes.
The date as well.
Will be clear.
This is your good.
This is
your
mine.
reason.
Yes,
This
my
is your
reason.
So go
Yes,
for it.
Yes, good dreamer.
Yes.
This is
Yes.
mine.
The list.
Yeah,
Yes.
this is a new order. The last one.
Last one.
Last
Ah.
one. Yes.
Yes.
Oh, we can make a picture here. This,
One picture with your
this
goods.
is our last order. It can be seen very nicely. Yeah.
So this part for our assemble for the
okay.
machines and
Okay.
the inspection.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's like a workshop.
Yeah. Workshop.
Wow.
This one, the test.
Testing,
For the
yeah.
testing. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
For the commercial systems test. After the assembly will be arranged the test here. So for the such as the membranes, the customers tell us the membranes have problems for the water capacity, the flow rate.
Okay.
So we will test here and to find the reasons
Okay.
and try to solve it.
That is
Yes.
very good. Very good.
Yeah.
This is.
Then you will see our showrooms.
Wow. This.
Yes.
Wow. This is very good. Very good.
We'll show all about this warehouse. Yes. But this part you can see mainly for the household.
Household.
Yes, for the household, full set household, like this pre-filters and then the water purification systems.
This is a
Yeah.
standalone softener.
Yeah, for water softener or water filters.
Filters.
Based on the
Yes,
mainly for the water filters because there will have a water softeners here. Yes, yes. For the kitchen water and
Okay.
for the drinking water.
Okay.
And then these water softeners will be for the washing rooms,
Okay.
washing water, and bathroom water.
No membrane at all.
No membranes.
So you can say you can put two streams
Yeah,
for drinking.
for drinking,
And
for washing. Yeah, yeah. Here shows some household models,
household.
the popular models. Yes.
It's all compact. This is resemble with 600, but it's not.
600.
This
yes.
is less than.
Did you take this one before?
We have black ones.
Black ones are
Yes.
same.
Yes, the
Only the holding different colors.
Okay,
Yes.
but it's the same size.
Same size.
600.
600, 800, 1000, 1000.
This is 400. Yeah?
Oh yeah. No. This is the core.
Okay.
Hot core.
Okay.
Yes. Here you can see our corporate cultures.
Wow.
Yes. The team introductions. You
Okay,
can see
okay.
Tony, the founder and the boss, and He Tian, our factory manager, and
Okay,
also our engineers.
Okay.
Yes, we
met that guy. Yeah?
met
Yes.
next time.
Yes.
Last time we met.
At the assembling place.
Yes.
Yes.
Later we'll go to another meetings,
Okay.
another promotion meetings.
Okay.
Also, Mr. Tian will
be there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mr. Tian is the host
Okay.
for this promotion meeting. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
And then Vanilla, Nancy, Carson.
Okay.
Vanilla now the vice boss.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
And me, Nancy, and Carson are the sales manager for our sales team.
Okay.
Also the other department for the financial, for the marketing,
Okay.
and also the shipping,
Okay.
and also the warehouse. Yes. And this part we call it a kitchen, like kitchen. Yes, a health lifestyle
yes.
start with a glass of pure water.
Yes, for
Yes.
sure, for sure.
The household part. Yes. Underthink in the on the desk
This is a simple ones, eh?
Yes.
Wow. So you
Did
can
you
just
take this one before?
no.
No.
This is from source output.
Output.
Yeah.
Here output. Yes. Only this one. Only the filter cartridge. No
Yes.
membranes.
Yes.
Like this one, the carbon. Yes. The alkalines. The mineral water.
Wow.
The household membranes. Yeah.
One more question. Last year you told me this one should be installed to the system with less than 500 TDS. 500.
Less than 500 TDS.
Yes.
Yes. And then
You have the one which it can take more than
yes,
1,000?
sure. Different models, different membranes.
Okay.
Membrane films
Okay.
inside.
Okay. You have the ones which,
Different models,
Okay.
membrane films will be handled different TDS.
okay.
The low TDS, high
High
TDS, the salt
So
water.
you have ITDS.
Yes, have. So this part, the commercial.
Commercial.
The commercials, the high capacity, the ROs, and the two stage.
What is
Two stage PP or CTU with the UV.
UV
Yes.
together?
Yes. This very popular in Australia market. This one and this one.
Okay,
Very
okay.
popular. Okay, so the last one for this one, you must learn some about this.
Yes.
The big capacity project. Yes, because too big, so only here we have one mod. Not the actually product here.
Okay.
This is the frankly speaking, before last year we
Yes.
didn't do too much big
Okay.
project.
Yes.
But from the next half of last year, we begin the big capacity.
Okay.
Yeah. Mainly for the different industries, the water plant industries,
Okay.
the chemicals, the hospitals, and also maybe the electronic plant.
Okay.
Different industrials. So in the future, if you have any related to this, we can talk about.
No problem. We have a lot of turnkey projects, OEMs.
Oh.
So yeah, I am participating to some, but I'm looking forward because last time I checked, I participated in one around the 100,000 liters per hour. 100,000 liters per hour.
It's a big capacity.
Yes, it's very big.
Yes. This is just a show. For different projects, different industries, or different raw waters, you can send us. So we have engineering team. We can design to analysis and to make the solutions. And finally, maybe we will go to your site to see the machine room space and then to design the systems totally.
That is very good. That is very good.
Surprise.
We have our flag.
Surprise room.
Now we have our flag.
Take photos.
Finally. Yeah, you can come in. Wow. Stay here. This is